Many students stay confused, not confident, and unable to process information. Thinking beyond the confines of a test creates huge hurdles and inhibits their success and renders students handicapped in the art of contemplation. I began the literature review process with this question: how can I get students to think and make connections? Through this literature review, I realized that I could find answers and create potential solutions to how I can help students communicate and expand learning. When this can be accomplished, then a door has been opened to help students truly contemplate the world around them. This can be a key to student success. As I reviewed articles, a repetitive focus emerged: communication, specifically web-based discussion forums. Through my findings, I discovered that a combination of web-based discussion and discourse guidelines yielded positive results in the academic achievement and created an environment that allowed students to experience the communication and create valid connections. Research has demonstrated the necessity of teaching students how to generate meaningful discourse within web-based discussion forums, because once students invested and understood the necessary process to generate successful discourse, the communication generated more insightful analysis and increased universal connections. Research has also emphasized that as time and utilization of discussion forums increase, the depth of student responses continue to generate an internalized learning process. This information led me on a search to find the appropriate platform to use for discussion forums. Through educational media design and technology class discussions and research, I was introduced to Schoology. Schoology is a platform that provides safe online learning. The discussion post format parallels social media platforms, and most students are skilled social network users. This is a site that students are comfortable with the layout, and this should allow students the ability to take risks without fear of the unknown hindering them. Besides finding the platform to house the discussion forum, discussions needed to have merit and specific guidelines to assist in raising the rigor of discourse and facilitate students generating meaningful and relevant connections and responses to peer posts and commentary. Through the Reflect, Inquire, Suggest, and Elevate, also referred to as the RISE feedback process, students are required to reflect on posts, inquire about the ideas stated in the readings and posts, suggest solutions and connections, and elevate responses by proposing idea expansion. Besides utilizing Schoology, I have decided to use tools previously used in class. Students will utilize Popplet and Prezi to deconstruct a RISE sample response provided by me. Students will receive Popplet instructions in Comic Life and view a video demonstrating how to create a Prezi. My literature review helped me organize my action research project and guided me to a solution for increasing student connections with universal messages in what they read by extending student abilities to provide relevant, insightful feedback to peers about assigned readings. By creating a learning environment that is student-centered and a place where students understand the response process, I hope that students are able to successfully make connections between what they read and see within the world around them.